po. By the way, I'm Princess Ezra Legaspi from La Union, one of the Chickster lovers. And I made this video for my greetings to Kuya Cav, Clarence Villaferte of the Chickster. Yeah, my beloved Chickster. Very great, guys. And yeah, first of all, Kuya Cav, I want to greet you a happy, yippee, super cheesy birthday. Yan, grabe, ang tamis ng cheesy pa. Kuya Cav, ito message ko sa'yo. Sana makita kita ng personal. Yan, una-una. Kasi layo ko La Union to Manila, kaya mahirap pong bumiyahe kapag may GT. So, di po ko nakapunta. Pati mga friends ko dito. So, Kuya Cav, stay humble, stay being as you are, and stay handsome and cute. Yan. Grabe, I love you, Kuya. And, grabe, ang gwapo. Oh my God. Babaliw ako. Kuya Cav, sana makatapos ka pa ng pag-aaral mo at matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yan. And, sana mas umimprove pa yung pagsikat ninyo, Chicksters. Wish you all the best. Basta, all of the best na. And, yeah. God bless, Kuya. And, sana mapansin mo tong video na to. Kasi, yeah, hindi pa ako napapansin ng mga Chicksters. And, yun. Salamat sa pagpapakilig, Chicksters. And, basta, thank you very much. Sa inyo ka lang naramdaman yung ganitong kilig na super OA ko. Grabe. Yan. Thank you po. Sana mapansin mo tong video, Kuya Cav. Kuya Clarence Villaferte. I love you po. Yan. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy super cheesy birthday ulit, Kuya Cav. I love you!